Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Guylian brownies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you want to grab yourself a heat-proof microwavable bowl, then place in your butter, followed by your granulated sugar, and then melt these on 30-second bursts until everything is melted, and the mixture should combine very easily. When you whisk it together like this, it should just come together and be very well combined. Then go ahead and add in your cocoa powder and whisk this in until it's fully incorporated. The mixture will become smooth and glossy, and that's what you're looking for, so just whisk it until you achieve that. Then give the bowl a scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits of the cocoa powder or sugar that may not have been fully incorporated when we were mixing it earlier on. Then you can go ahead and add in your eggs and vanilla and whisk these in until they are fully incorporated, and the mixture should become looser in consistency but also much smoother and glossier, which is what you're looking for. Then add in all of your plain flour, and I'm using a mixture of milk, white and dark chocolate chips just for added flavour in these brownies, and just fold everything in until you can't see a trace of a single ingredient. It doesn't take very long, so be careful not to overmix, otherwise your brownie will be tough textured and cakey like. Then transfer into a cake tin which has been lined with some parchment paper, and place dollops of Nutella spread on top, and then take a knife and feather it all over and swirl it around until you're happy with the pattern. Here's what mine looks like. It doesn't look as pretty as I thought it did, but it does look pretty, but don't worry. Bake it off, all that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So straight from the oven, you'll want to finish these brownies off. I started by placing a Guylian seashell on top of each portion. For these, I was making them for my friend Jodie, and I was placing one of the Guylian chocolates on top for each portion, so you get 9, but you can go with more or less depending on how many portions you want to get from these brownies. It's really up to you, and I use a mixture of the standard Guylian and the caramel filled ones, and I think you'll be able to tell which ones are which. I also just scattered over some chopped hazelnuts just for added hazelnut flavour, because why not. Then a mixture of the chocolate chips, so milk, white and dark, just to get more chocolate in these chocolate brownies, because why not. Then you can go ahead and chill the brownies, and once they've chilled for around 4 or 5 hours or overnight, you can then go ahead and slice them up. Cutting them up while they're cool or chilled is so much easier, and it makes them much denser and fudgier, which is the way a brownie should be. Any other way is not allowed, for me personally. I was making 9 brownies, so cut mine into 9 portions, and then here is what they look like on the inside. They're dense, they're chocolatey, and this is the middle piece, so you get all of the best part. I'm not the edge brownie type of person, I'm the middle piece of a brownie, but which are you? But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.